Today's dialogue is between a father and a son while playing basketball. Alright, son, let's work on your dribbling skills today. It's basic part of becoming a great basketball player. Okay, Dad, I'll try my best. Remember to keep your eyes up and your dribble low so that you can see the court and react to defenders. Like this, Dad? Yes, exactly. Now let's practice some crossover dribbles. It is to make the ball switch hands smoothly and quickly. Am I doing it right, Dad? You're getting there, but try to be more explosive with your movements. Got it, Dad. That's much better. Now let's move on to shooting. Remember, proper form is crucial for accuracy and consistency. Should I square up to the basket like this? Yes, but also focus on your follow-through. Snap your wrist and hold your hand up after releasing the ball. Did I do it right? Almost. You need to jump a little higher and extend your arm fully. Look at me. Wow, Dad, you make it look so easy. It takes practice, son. Now let's try again. How was that, Dad? Much better. You're improving with each shot. Just stay consistent with your drills. I really want to get better at basketball. I know you do, son, and with dedication and hard work, you'll achieve your goals. Keep practicing and never give up. I will, Dad. Thanks for teaching me and playing with me. Anytime, son. Now let's keep playing and have some fun. Now it's time to practice with me. Okay, Dad, I'll try my best. Like this, Dad? Am I doing it right, Dad? Got it, Dad. Should I square up to the basket like this? Did I do it right? Wow, Dad, you make it look so easy. How was that, Dad? I really want to get better at basketball. I will, Dad. Thanks for teaching me and playing with me.